was the last ruler of the Tughlaq dynasty of the Delhi Sultanate. He was Nasiruddin Tughlaq. Nasiruddin Tughlaq. So he was the last ruler, and the reign of the Nasiruddin Tughlaq was during the reign of Amir Timur. He attacked India in 1398, and he was succeeded by the Khizr Khan and Sayyid dynasty. And Sayyid dynasty 1351 and 1388, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq II and Nusrat Shah between the 1388 and 1398. Okay, so this is the Firoz Shah Tughlaq was the ruler of Tughlaq dynasty in the 51 to 1388. After them, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq and Nusrat Shah came. How did the dynasty of Nizam Shahi of Ahmednagar come into end? So Ahmednagar come into end. That was the Ahmednagar was annexed into the Mughal Empire. It was annexed into the Mughal Empire, and Hussain Shah was considered the life imprisonment. And Hussain Shah has given the life imprisonment. Okay, Hussain Shah को क्या मिला? Life imprisonment मिल गया था. So Ahmednagar was annexed into the Mughal Empire, and Hussain Shah was confined to the life imprisonment. Which of the following sequence indicate the correct chronological order? First was the Shankaracharya. Second was the Ramanuja, and then Chaitanya. First was Shankaracharya, Ramanuja, and Chaitanya. This was the sequence. Banda Bahadur was appointed the military leader of the Sikh Guru Tegh Bahadur. So Banda Bahadur was the military leader of the Sikh by the Guru Tegh Bahadur. Guru Tegh Bahadur. This is wrong. Guru Arjan Dev became the Sikh Guru after Guru Ramdas. So Arjun Dev after the Ramdas, that is true. Arjun Dev came after the Ramdas, and Guru Arjan Dev gave to Sikh their own script Guru Mukhi. So Arjun Dev given the Guru Mukhi. That was their script of the Sikha. Okay, so this is true actually. Next one is, when Raja Wadeyar founded the kingdom of the Mysore, who was the ruler of the Vijayanagar? So ruler of the Vijayanagar was the Venkata II, and at this time the Raja Wadeyar founded the kingdom of the Mysore, and this time ruler was the Venkata II. Muhammad bin Tughlaq issued a new gold coin dinar. Muhammad bin Tughlaq issued a new coin dinar. Muhammad bin Tughlaq wanted to issue token currency of the gold coin to promote trade with Asia and African country. Which of the following is the correct chronological order of Afghan ruler? First was the Behlol Lodi, then Sikandar Lodi, then Ibrahim Lodi. Behlol Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, and the Ibrahim Lodi. The Tukaram was a contemporary of which Mughal emperor? He was contemporary of Jahangir. Bhakt Tukaram was contemporary of Jahangir. During the uh, which of the following emperor did the English East India Company establish first factory? So that was Jahangir. In the reign of the Jahangir, there was a East India Company came and there was established a new factory. It was a 1600 almost 1600. Dutch were entered the Southeast Asia. Then English turned to the Indian trade, particularly textile. Jahangir was the son of the Akbar, came to the throne. Akbar's death was in 1605 and known for his administration justice in 1608. Captain William Hawkins. So Hawkins also came in the Akbar. In Hawkins also represented the East India Company, and in 1615 Thomas Roe. Thomas Roe was came, and this was through the initially Jahangir resisted. He later on granted permission to the English to establish a trading post at Surat, and the English also established the factory in the Madras, then Masulipatam, and then Calcutta. Next point is, with whose permission did the English set up their first factory? So it was Jahangir. It was Jahangir. So English East India Company was a 1600 charter signed by the Queen Elizabeth, paid to the visit to the Jahangir, and however 1613 Sir Thomas Roe visited. They were permitted to establish the first factory at Surat. Gradually, company established its trading center at Bombay, Calcutta, and Madras. Next question: why did Buddhism start declining in India? So, why did Buddhism start declining in the India? What was the reason of the declination of the Buddhism in the India? First was Buddha was that time considered as one of the incarnation of Vishnu. Buddha was considered incarnation of which Vishnu? Incarnation of Vishnu, become a part of Vaishnavism. Become a part of Vaishnavism. Okay, so that's why Buddha was by that time considered one of the incarnation. And few of the Central Asia time last Gupta king Buddhist region and Gupta dynasty were not opposed to the Buddhism, even though they supported the Brahminical belief. So last Gupta ruler also adopted the Buddhism. With reference to religious history of medieval India, Sufi and mystics. Known to the person which of the following practice? First was the meditation. That is true. Sever aesthetic exercise lonely place. So sever aesthetic exercise at the lonely place. Recitation of holy song. Recitation of holy songs. All of three they were representing. Consider the following Bhakti saint. So Lodi dynasty fell and Babur took over. So who among the following was preaching when the Lodi dynasty was fell and Babur took over? In that time there was a Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak. So Guru Nanak came when there was a Babur. Babur was in term. Dadu Dayal was not there. Dadu Dayal was not there. And Tyagaj is also not there. Tyagaraja is also not there. There was a Babur. So Babur was, it took 1526. Dadu Dayal was 1544. And Tyagaraj was 1767. Guru Nanak lived between the 1469 to 1539, preaching this Lodi dynasty as a Babur took over. In medieval India, destination of the Mahata and Patta Killa. It was the village headman. They was the village headman. Who name is Mahatara and Patta Killa and Patta Killa. So they both are the village headmen. The arrival of Babur into the India led to the introduction of the gunpowder, no, and established the Timurid dynasty. Yes, introduction of the arch and dome, that is also not true. So when Babur came into India, so he wanted to establish a Timurid dynasty, but gunpowder in the subcontinent, that was before the Delhi Sultanate was about two new archaeological idea. Mughal Empire formed the Babur, successfully conquered the Delhi, Afghanistan, established the Timurid dynasty. But we used gunpowder during the Mongol invasion as a part of embassy. Timurid leaders Shah Rukh and Abdul Razzaq mentioned the Neptha mounted on the elephant and variety of the pyro on display. Fireman known as the top of the also existed in the Vijayanagara Empire. Now next. So we used the gunpowder during the Mongol invasion. So only during the Babur came, he wanted to establish the Timurid dynasty. Arch and dome, that was also not introduced. आर्किटेक्चर का जो आइडिया था, that was बहुत पहले ही आ चुका था. That was in the Delhi Sultanate we seen. Next is Champaka. Champaka is central India. That is not true. Durgara was the Jammu. So Durgara was in the Jammu. Durgara was in the Jammu. And Champaka is not central India and the Kuluta is not Malabar. With reference to the cultural history of the medieval India, so Siddharth Sitars to Tamil region were monotheistic and condemned idolatry. So Siddhas was the monotheistic. They are the mono